There are a lot of infrared thermal imagers in the market for detecting elevated temperatures to identify feverish person in effort to prevent epidemic from spreading. However, most of the fever screening solutions can be expensive and complicated to set on and operate. Introducing ARBOR's preliminary fever detection solution, eGuardian S408. S408 has a flexible mounting design. You can choose between the magnetic mount or the tripod camera mount. S408 uses a slim design thermal imager and it is paired with a blackbody calibration unit. A blackbody is used as an active calibration for the thermal imager. S408 uses a high-precision AI body recognition. It can automatically screen elevating temperatures. Operators no longer required to stare at the monitor at all times. S408 will sound alerts when the elevated temperature is detected. Conventional thermal imager often mistaking object temperatures to human temperature. S408 can accurately recognize human forehead. Even holding a cup of coffee will not trigger the alarm. With its easy setup, all you have to do is to move the calibration cursor to the black body, and then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an inquiry at www.arbor-technology.com.